Hello for everyone. Today I'm going to present you the classification of the phoneme ba. Here we have three characteristics of this phoneme. The first one, its place, that in this case is bilabial. The second one, which is monar, that is stop plosive. And the last one, which is voicing, that is voice in this case. That means that you can produce a vibration in your vocal cords when you produce these sounds. Also, we have three examples of the classification of this phoneme. In the first one, we have vowel. In the second one, we have number. And in the last one, we have verb. Here, in the vocal tract, you can see how it works when you produce this phoneme. And here, we have a little man that said, I want to be a swan, that it's never stressed. This is all the information that we have for now. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope that you can produce this information for your friends. And thank you for watching this video.